Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm sharing with you my crispy, crunchy and fresh and healthy roasted sweet potato salad that goes perfect with tahini dressing. Watch the video till the end. So for this I have chopped here sweet potato into bite size. I took here beans, sliced onion and cherry tomatoes. I used here beans. You can use chickpeas as well. Chickpeas also goes perfect with this recipe. So here I am seasoning all my vegetables and my beans with olive oil, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder and some paprika. It's very easy if you put everything in one tray so it goes in the oven and everything gets done at the same time. Just give everything a good mix. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm posting more than one video every week. So we will take it out once the sweet potato become tender and the beans become crunchy. Just hear the crunch. I'm so excited for this. I can't wait to just dig into the salad. So now let's prepare the dressing. For the dressing here I use tahini. You can use any brand tahini available in your place. So this tahini dressing is just simply amazing. Here I use tahini and water. The ratio of tahini and water is 1:1. Lemon juice, black pepper and honey. You can adjust all the ingredients according to your taste. I'll give everything a good mix, and this dressing is just perfect with the salad that we made, or you can use it with any kind of egg salad or chickpea salad. Some olive oil to give a little. So now let's assemble the salad. For this I already have Roman lettuce and cucumber chopped in my bowl, and I'm adding on the top my crunchy beans, my tender sweet potatoes, roasted onion, roasted tomatoes, and everything goes in just one bowl, and put the dressing on the top. Enjoy it with your friends and family. Just give it a good mix so the dressing incorporates with all the ingredients, that it's roasted sweet potatoes, onion, tomato, crunchy beans, goes perfect with the fresh cucumber and Roman lettuce. This is just perfect and healthy. You don't need to have a lunch or dinner if you're having this salad. It's very fulfilling. Hope you like my recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.